The next we are having comets. Comets are very small celestial objects made up of gas and dust which revolve around the sun in the highly elliptical orbits and become visible only when they come close to the sun. ओके कमेट्स कब विजिबल होते हैं? जब वो सन के क्लोज आते हैं. दे आर मच स्मॉलर देन एस्ट्रॉइड्स. द पीरियड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ अ कमेट अराउंड द सन इज वेरी वेरी लार्ज. हैले कमेट हैज द पीरियड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन 76 ईयर. इट इज द लास्ट सीन इन 86. लास्ट 1986 में इसको दिखा गया था हैलेस कमेट को. मतलब इसका पीरियड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन क्या है? 76 ईयर्स है बेटा. सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट व्हेन वी एबल टू सी इट अगेन. Each comet revolve around the sun in its orbit. Okay, ये अपनी orbit पे ही क्या है? Revolve करता है. A comet appears generally as a bright head with a long tail. As the comet approaches the sun, it gets heated and leaves behind a stream of hot glowing gases and dust particles. It appears as a tail of the comet. The tail of comet always pointed away from the sun. ठीक है? Here you can see in the slide even the length of the tail grow in size as it approaches the sun. जैसे जैसे वो क्या सन के पास पहुंचता है उसकी टेल क्या है? बड़ी होती जाती है. Okay, so the next we are having now meteors or meteorites. Okay, meteoroids are small rocky irregular heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. They are much smaller than asteroids and the comets even. Okay, scientists believe that meteoroids are formed during the formation of solar system. So students, next term है हमारे पास meteors. Meteors क्या हैं? When meteoroids are very close to the planets such as Earth, the Earth's gravitational pulls them. As they enter Earth's atmosphere, they get heated because of friction with the air and starts burning and emitting light. As these burning meteoroids falls towards the Earth's surface, and you can see them as bright streak of light. Okay? Meteors are the burning meteoroids which are seen as a bright streak of light which flashes a moment across sky. Meteors are also called the shooting star. वो कहता है जब meteoroids क्या है सन की तरफ आते आते अर्थ के सरफेस में एंटर हो जाते हैं ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन, वो क्या हीट और लाइट कैच कर लेते हैं, उस टाइम उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? शूटिंग स्टार, और विच इज कॉल्ड द meteor. Okay, why meteor is called a shooting star? Because viewed from the earth it looked like a streak of straight light, star's light shooting across the night sky. A star has its own light but a shooting star has no light of its own. Okay, a meteor which does not burn up completely or entering the surface atmosphere and lands on earth is known as meteorite. Okay, meteorites are also the member of the solar system. You can see here in the slide even the picture of meteorites or meteors. Okay, so the last topic of this chapter we are having the satellites. Students, a satellite is a celestial body that revolves around a planet. Okay, जो planet के around revolve करती है. Moon is the satellite of Earth, Mercury and Venus. Does not have satellites. Okay, moon क्या है? अर्थ की सैटेलाइट है, पर मरकरी और वीनस के पास कोई भी सैटेलाइट नहीं है. The satellite revolve around the planets due to the gravitational pull of the planets. The satellites have no light of their own, they reflect sunlight. So next are the artificial satellites. Artificial satellites is a man-made object that has been placed into orbit around the earth or some other planets to perform specific function. Okay, जो man-made satellites होती हैं उनको हम artificial satellites होते हैं, and that which are naturally made are called the natural satellite like moon. Okay, artificial satellites are launched from the earth. First artificial satellite called Sputnik 1 was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. And artificial satellites carry a large variety of equipments and instruments inside them. The electricity required for running the equipments in an artificial satellite is provided by solar cells. The technique of collecting information about an object from a distance is called the remote sensing. Okay, without making any physical contact of an object. Artificial satellites is clear to you that are made by man, okay, at which has been placed into the orbit around the earth or some other planets to perform specific functions. So some of the applications of artificial satellites are: artificial satellites are used for communication such as long distances, in transmission of television, radio, internet, etc. Okay, artificial satellites are also used for weather forecasting, advanced warning of floods, cyclones, etc. It is also used for surveying the natural resources of the earth. It is also used for spying for military purposes, like observing the movement of enemies troops, military equipments, taking picture of enemy fields. ओके सो इसके लिए सभी के लिए क्या आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स यूज की जाती हैं आजकल. ठीक है. इट ऑल्सो यूज फॉर कलेक्टिंग द इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट अदर प्लैनेट स्टार्स गैलेक्सीज. सो ये क्या हमें दूसरे प्लैनेट्स की भी जानकारी देती हैं. So in simple, we can say it help in weather forecasting, transmission, radio, television signals, telecommunication, remote sensing, for collecting information about other planets, navigation. Okay, so these are the applications of the satellite. So the India's first satellite, that is Aryabhatta. India has the built and launched many artificial satellites. The first artificial satellite launched by India was Aryabhatta. Some other Indian satellites are Bhaskara, INSAT, IRS, Rohini, Kalpana 1, EduSat. Okay, the agency responsible for the development of space science programs in our country is the Indian Research Organization, that is IRSO, जो हमारी satellites बनाने में हेल्प करती है और उनको लॉन्च करने में हेल्प करती है. ठीक है. So this is all about the chapter, students. So we discussed so many things in this chapter about the universe. We discussed about the various planets, stars and comets, the satellites. Okay, hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.